Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to have a look at important current affairs questions of the week. Basically, there are 7 questions in this session, one from each day of the week. And please do follow our Instagram page, Officers Mind, for daily current affair quizzes. So, without wasting much time, we'll move forward in the session and we'll move forward to our first question, that is, which animal will be reintroduced in India after being declared extinct in 1952? And the correct answer to this question is cheetah. See, it cheetah was extended in India in 1952 and it is all set to be reintroduced into India in November 2021 at Kuno National Park, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Like 10 cheetahs will be brought from South Africa and Namibia, and it is first time in world a large carnivore will be relocated from one continent to another. So now we'll see our second question, that is, who among the following vaccines does not yet feature in WHO's emergency use listing? And the correct answer to this question is Covaxin. See, it is developed by Bharat Biotech and it has already submitted 90% of documents for obtaining emergency use by WHO. And the remaining documents are expected to be submitted in June. So, during the first 2 months after rollout, the firm has to inform drug regulators every fortnight about adverse effect of vaccine. Phase 1 and 2 trials have already been collected, but as the WHO said that they want more information from them, like more data. Okay, now we'll move forward to our question number 3, that is, which country signed an agriculture action plan with India for a duration of 3 years? And the correct answer to this question is Israel. See, in the Indo-Israel agriculture project, it is based on the concept of establishing centers of excellence, which provide a platform for a rapid transfer of technology to the farmers with the aim of increasing productivity and improving the quality of produce. And it is actually renewed. It is for a duration of 3 years. Now we'll move forward to question number 4, that is, who was appointed as director of CBI? So the correct answer to this question is Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. See, what is CBI? CBI's full form is Central Bureau of Investigation, and operates under jurisdiction of Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, India. And it is an organization that is exempted from RTI. What is RTI? RTI is Right to Information. Now we'll move forward to question number 5, that is, who won 2021's Princess of Asturias Award under Social Science category? And the correct answer to this question is Amartya Sen. And he is an Indian economist and Nobel laureate. He won Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998. And if we'll talk about this Princess of Asturias Award, it is a top award of Spain, and it is a series of annual prizes awarded in Spain by the Princess of Asturias Foundation to individuals, entities, or organizations from around the world who make notable achievement in the sciences, humanities, and public affairs. We'll move forward to question number 6, that is, when is International Day of UN Peacekeepers observed? So the correct answer to this question is 29th of May. And what is its motto? Motto is protecting civilian and protecting peace. So on May 29, 1948, the first United Nations peacekeeping mission was established when the Security Council authorized a small number of United Nations military observers in the Middle East. Now we'll move forward to the last question of our session, that is, what was the name of cyclone which affected Gujarat and Orissa? See, this is not a current affair question, it is from past few days, so I thought I could put into it, like the name can be asked in many written examinations. So for the Gujarat it was Taukte, and for Orissa it was Yas. So that's it for the session. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and do follow our Instagram page, that is Officers Mind. Till then, stay safe.